Hello there, welcome back to my channel. It's your everydayness Abby. So we are continuing our series on sexual dysfunction. In our previous video, we talked about the various causes of sexual dysfunction. In today's video, we are going to learn about the various treatments or management for sexual dysfunction. Please don't forget to visit the previous video for more content on sexual dysfunction. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share to others so you can also help them. So today we'll consider some few treatment options for sexual dysfunction. So, in treatment for sexual dysfunction, it is based on the specific cause or the specific underlying cause for that sexual dysfunction. The cause could be stress, depression, sexual abuse, certain medical conditions, it could be hormonal imbalance, it could be any other cause. So treatment is given with regards to the cause. So let's consider some few things that we can talk about under management. So the first thing we'll be considering is therapy, undergoing talk therapy. So this is when you speak to a talk therapist or you speak to a psychologist so that they take you through certain things to know the underlying cause of your condition, to know whether it is anxiety, whether it is fear, whether it is depression. So they will talk to you and then get to know the underlying cause of your situation. If it is as a result of stress from things around you, then the appropriate management can be given. If it is depression, then the cause of the depression can be identified and then treatment can be given. So most of the times, this therapy is done with your partner so that it would help your partner to better understand what you are going through and then find ways that you can communicate and also get intimate when it comes to sexual activity. Even for some men, it could be that they had issues with sexual dysfunction, the first encounter with their partner. So they become more anxious, thinking that they would encounter the same situation if they engage in any sexual activity. So it will cause them to shut down. So all these things will become known when you go for the talk therapy and it can help you overcome your situation. Another thing we have is exercise. So when you undertake regular exercise, it helps with sexual dysfunction in that it ensures that there is proper blood flow in your system. In the causes of sexual dysfunction, we learned that when there is blockage in your blood vessels or when there isn't proper blood flow in your body, it can inhibit you from having effective sexual intimacy. So when you engage in a lot of exercises, it would help regulate proper blood flow to all your systems, and it will also go to your reproductive system, that is your penis or your vagina, which would in turn aid in arousal and also help in sexual activity or sexual intimacy. The next thing we'll be talking about is side effects of certain medications. Yes, so when you have certain medical conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, or certain mental condition like depression, some of the side effects of these medications are sexual dysfunction. So when you are taking some of these medication, it can render you to have any of these sexual dysfunction, being it arousal disorder or erectile dysfunction, or it could be premature ejaculation, any of those things, even impotence. So when you are taking a medication and you realize that the side effect is sexual dysfunction, you can speak to your doctor concerning it, and the medication can be reviewed and changed to any other medication that does not give that side effect. I'm not saying stop taking the medication because you would need it to treat the condition you are in. So it is better for you to speak to your doctor for the medication to be changed for you to get another one. Another thing we can talk about is healthy diet, eating a healthy diet. So, research has shown that there are a lot of diets, or there are a lot of food groups that when you eat can also aid in increasing your libido, or increasing your sex drive, or helping you to engage well when it comes to sexual activities. So example is oyster, crabs, and lobster. Is known to contain zinc, and zinc helps regulate, or helps with blood, helps improve blood flow. So when you take it, it would help ensure that your blood is flowing very well, and it is also known to regulate testosterone, a hormone in male that also facilitates in sexual activities. So it would help with that. And it is known importantly to increase sex drive, or increase your libido. So if you take more of it, then it will help you with your sexual dysfunction. We also have salmon. So salmon, our normal salmon that we take. So it is also known to contain omega 3. And omega 3 helps prevent buildup in blood vessels. And we learn in in our courses that when there is blockage in blood vessels, it prevents blood flow. So when there isn't enough blood flow in your system and into your reproductive areas, it can also bring about certain sexual dysfunction. So when you take salmon or food rich in omega 3, it can reduce the buildup in your blood vessels, increasing blood flow, and hence solving the issues of sexual dysfunction. We also have apple, strawberry, we have blueberries, we have colored grapes. All these things contains nutrients that would help increase your sexual libido and also blood flow. And then we have banana. So banana is also good. Most of the times we say men should take a lot of banana because it helps them increase their libido level, and also can help with sexual dysfunction. So we have fruits and vegetables. In fact, good nutrition is very good to facilitate good health and also help with sexual dysfunction. So these are a few things that we will consider. I know there are many other treatments that we have. You can read more about it to get insight into it. And please, most of the times we go in taking drugs, we go in doing taking medication, doing self prescription, or going to other people to give us medication just to boost us to engage in sexual activities. All these things may not be beneficial. One important thing I can tell you is that when you are undergoing any sexual dysfunction, kindly speak to a health professional. Kindly go to the hospital and see a doctor so that the right management can be given, so that you don't end up having other complications. So thank you very much for your attention, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and also share. Bye.